Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the mouse scrolling or mouse wheel scrolling problem in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open the control panel, and we can do that by searching here in the Windows search tab. We will type control panel, and you will see under best match the control panel option, so please click on that. And then once your window doesn't look like this, all you need to do is just to go to the view by options and please select large icons. So you can select large icons by making a click here in the drop down button, and you will see here large icons. So just please click on that, and then you will see the same window here. So here you need to go to mouse options, so please click on mouse options. Once you do that, this window will be coming up. So we have here 4 tabs. Supposedly we will have 5 tabs, but since I am not using any mouse, then I have only 4 tabs. So in your case, if you're using a mouse, then you will have 5 tabs. We have here buttons, pointers, pointer options, and wheels supposedly, and hardware. Okay, so under buttons, we have here the option for double click speed. Double click the folder to test your setting. If the folder doesn't open or close, try using a slower setting. So if if your settings here is set to this one by default, then your mouse is working very well, then you're good to go. You don't have to change anything in here. But if your mouse is not working very well, then you can drag this towards fast, or you can also drag this towards slow. So let us try this speed, and let us double click this folder here. So this setting also worked for me, but I will leave this with the default setting. And then once you're done with this one, you can click on apply and then click on OK. And if you see here after pointer options here in the tab, after pointer options tab, if you see here the wheels option, please click on that, and then you will see 2 search tab there, the in the upper part and the lower part. So please make sure that you choose values between 4 to 7 in both of the tab. Again, if you see the wheels option, please set the values for between 4 to 7, and please make sure that the upper and the lower part has the same values. Okay, so you can have 4 in above and 4 in below. Now once you're done, you can just click on apply and then click on OK, and then close this window and make a quick restart with your device and see if it's working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.